students, welcome back to Imagine Physics. આજે આપણે વેક્ટર એનાલિસિસનો નેક્સ્ટ ટોપિક છે એ ડિસ્કસ કરવાનો છે. સો our topic is geometrical interpretation of scalar triple product. તમને યાદ હોય તો આપણે લાસ્ટ જે લેક્ચર છે એમાં સ્કેલર ટ્રિપલ પ્રોડક્ટ છે એની ડેરિવેશન છે એ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કર્યું હતું. સો once I So what is the final equation? That is ax, ay, az, bx, by, bz and cx, cy, cz. So this is our interpretation of scalar triple product. Like તમને આવી રીતે જો if you have three vectors and the components of vector, then you can solve this a dot b cross c with the help of this matrix. So આની પર તમે solve કરી શકો. Now the next topic is geometrical interpretation of scalar triple product. So you already know what is scalar triple product, right? That is a dot b cross c. Now what is called geometrical interpretation? So for that I draw one figure here. So as you can see, this is the parallelogram and it has some volume. So here B and C are the bases of the parallelogram. B અને C છે એના પાયાના નો વિભાગ છે. એનો જે પાયાનો વિભાગ થયો એ તમારો B અને C થયો. Now if we take cross product of B and C, then it is B cross C. So if B cross C, if we apply B on B cross C, the right hand screw rule, then the resultant vector is A. So this is our vector A, that is resultant vector. So with the help of ABC, what is the representation of geometrical interpretation? So with the help of ABC, we can produce or we can imagine the volume of a parallelogram. એટલે ABC ત્રણેય સદિશો દ્વારા B અને C છે એ તમારા પાયાના સદિશ છે. એની ઉપરથી ક્રોસ ગુણાકાર લઈએ તો આપણને ત્રીજો સદિશ A મળશે. તો સદિશ A ઉપરથી તમે જુઓ તો અહીંયા આગળ આપણને એક વોલ્યુમ છે એ ક્રિએટ થાય છે. તો લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ આપણે ડિસ્કસ નહોતું કર્યું, બટ ઇફ વી કેલ્ક્યુલેટ સમ એક્ઝામ્પલ વિથ ધ હેલ્પ ઓફ ધીસ ઇક્વેશન તો આપણને શું મળશે? તો કે ત્રણેય સદિશો છે એનો કંઈ આપણને અહીંયા નીચે કંઈ આન્સર આપશે. એ આન્સર છે શું ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરે છે? ધેટ ઇઝ વોલ્યુમ. So if you have three vectors and the components of vector, then you can easily find out the volume of any given parallelogram. So now as you can see, if we project vector A on this B cross C line, this is resultant vector B cross C. એની ઉપર આપણે લાઈન ડ્રો કરીએ એટલે અહીંયા તમે જુઓ તો એક ટ્રાયંગલ બને છે. સો ધીસ ટ્રાયંગલ ઇઝ ઓલ્સો રિપ્રેઝેન્ટ A dot B cross C. So with the help of this equation and with the help of this geometrical interpretation, આપણે શું સાબિત કરી શકીએ કે કોઈ પણ if we take three vectors and we take the scalar product of that particular three vectors, then we can calculate the volume of a shape or the volume of a parallelogram. But the condition is that you have three vectors and the components of that three vectors. Another equation, this is only theoretical base of the equation, થોડો theoretical part છે. A dot B cross C ને તમે જે ફિગર ડ્રો કરી એની ઉપરથી રિપ્રેઝેન્ટ કરવું હોય તો કઈ રીતે કરી શકાય? પ્રોજેક્શન ઓફ A on B cross C. Projection of A, vector A, projection of A on B cross C multiplied by area of the base of the parallelogram. Area of the base of parallelogram, that is B cross C. So this equation, that means A dot B cross C શું આપશે? તો કે આ જે આખું જે અહીંયા આગળ જીઓમેટ્રિક રિપ્રેઝન્ટેશન છે એનું વોલ્યુમ છે એ તમે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરી શકો. ધીસ આ એક બીજું તમને અલગથી ઇક્વેશન છે બનાવ્યું છે. અનધર ઇક્વેશન ઇઝ what is A dot B cross C? Height of the parallelopipe. multiplied by area of the base of the parallelopipe. Height of the parallelopipe, that means કે વેક્ટર A. વેક્ટર A છે એ તમને શું આપે છે? હાઈટ આપે છે. મીન્સ કે આમાં 3 ડાયમેન્શન હશે તો 1 ડાયમેન્શન છે એ હાઈટનું છે, તો હાઈટનું ડાયમેન્શન છે that is your vector A, and area of the base of the parallel pipe, that is B cross C. So A dot B cross C. So that is why હવે તમે જો આની ઉપરથી કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરો, then if it is A dot B cross C or B dot C cross A or C dot A cross B, if we take a scalar triple product for these three rotational behavior, then the representation of the parallel pipe or represents the same volume. It means કે આમાં તમે જે calculate કરો, whatever you calculate the volume from this equation and this and from this, these are these values, the values of volumes will be same. આપણે calculation કરીએ હમણાં એટલે તમને ખ્યાલ આવશે. So this and this, both the concepts are same, but the representation is different. Here it is geometrical, that is why you put some figure and draw one figure, and with the help of figure you can describe some points, and then you can write down this equation. And in last lecture I also mentioned the scalar triple product with the help of mathematical calculation. So we have two different representation for scalar triple product. One is analytical, that means you have to write down the mathematical step, and another one is geometrical representation of a scalar triple product, but the topic and concept will be same. And what is the resultant product is you got some volume, you calculate some volume for the given vectors. So this is it, very much a small topic, but next topic is So what is rotational behavior of a scalar triple product? So now you know already what is scalar triple product, that is A dot B cross C. But what is the rotational behavior? So if we say that if we rotate, suppose I write B dot C cross A or C dot A cross B. So here rotational behavior is not changed. That is why, because if we consider I, J, K, so it is A vector, and then if we going in a anti-clockwise direction, right? Or suppose it is A, B, C. So A cross B, B cross C, C cross A is positive. But if we change the direction or reverse the direction, so A cross C is negative, C cross B is negative, and B cross A is negative. So that is the rotational behavior. So તમે ચેન્જ કરશો તો તમારે એને નેગેટિવ સાઇનમાં કન્સિડર કરવું પડે, બીકોઝ તમે જાણો છો કે એનો રિઝલ્ટન્ટ વેક્ટર છે એ પોઝિટિવ ઓર નેગેટિવ છે એ થઈ શકે, તો એને કહેશું આપણે રોટેશનલ બિહેવિયર. બટ સપોઝ કે અહીંયા આપણે હું લખું B cross C છે. So if I write C cross B, then this resultant scalar triple product is become negative. Same here, A cross C and B cross A. So only the sign will be changed, but what we have to find out from this equation is the volume of our given parallelogram. But the volume will be similar for all these three calculations. So first of all we calculate theoretical part, and then we calculate one example on the basis of rotational behavior. So first of all we take three vector components. Right? So first we take A dot B cross C. So AX, AY, AZ, BX, BY, BZ, and CX, CY, CZ. Right? Now we calculate. Then what we have to do? We change the row. Means this is row number 1, this is 2 and 3. So we flip row number 1 and 2. Then we can take R12. Right? So if R12 is changed, then vector B is in first row and vector A is in the second row. Then we have to multiply this matrix with -1, and it is BX, BY, BZ, AX, AY, AZ, and CX, CY, CZ. So what is the representation of this scalar triple product is vector B dot A cross C. So here see vector B dot A cross C, that is minus. So we multiplied this minus because we change the direction of A cross C. So that is why it is minus. So this is the rotational behavior. Now we have to change row number 2nd and 3rd. So if we change 2nd and 3rd, right. So now take R23. So R23, 2 is become 3 and 3 is become 2. So again we have to multiply this matrix with a -1. So it is minus minus plus, so it become positive again. So BX, BY, BZ, CX, CY, CZ, AX, AY, AZ. So this matrix is become B dot C cross A. Okay. Now again change R12. If again we change R12, then again first it becomes positive, now again it becomes negative. So -1 R12 CX, CY, CZ, BX, BY, BZ, and ax, ay, az. So this is become C dot B cross A. So you can see C dot B cross A, that is minus. So it is minus. Now last time, if we change, so now you can understand which row will be changed. R 2 3. So again minus, so it become plus. So the answer is C dot A cross B. So C dot A cross B. So you know that we starting from the A dot B cross C and we are ending from to C dot A cross B. So we change R12 2 times and R23 2 times. Then it is rotate like a in a anti-clockwise direction, and 2 times it is in clockwise direction. Then we get finally C dot A cross B. So this is the rotational behavior of a scalar triple product. This is an only theoretical part I discussed, but with the help of theoretical part, you have to calculate one example, because you already see that the theories are very small. Then you definitely prepare some examples on that theory topic. So I calculate half example on the base of this theory. So first of all, take 3 vectors, 3i, 4j, 5k. B is I minus 6j plus 11k, right? And C is 10i plus 5j minus 2k. Now first of all, do A dot B cross C. So 3, 4, 5, 1 minus 6, 11, 10, 5 minus 2. So solve your matrix and calculate an answer. Then I already calculate this, so time છે ઓછો બગડે. So 4 110 plus 2 plus 5 5 plus 60. So our final answer is 644. If you have some units in the vector, then you can put your units here, because it is volume actually. So centimeter cube or meter cube, right? So you can easily mention the unit of this. Now take R12 from the theory. So R12 કરશું એટલે ચેન્જ થશે. તો ચેન્જ કરો એટલે 1 minus 6 11 3 4 5 10 5 minus 2. So it is minus multiplied with minus 1, and it become minus b dot A cross C, right? And calculation is, here minus આગળ લખવું પડશે because it is minus 1 minus 8 minus 25 minus 6 minus 6 okay 50 plus 6 plus 11 15 minus 40. So from this bracket the answer is minus 644 and it is minus minus plus, the final answer is 644. So you can see the volume will be same, in rotational behavior. Now take R23. Now take R23, then again multiplied with minus, so it is plus 2 3, so 1 minus 6 11, 10 5 minus 2 and 3 4 5. So this is become what it become, B dot C cross A, right? B dot C cross A, and the solution is, so it is minus minus plus, so starting from 1, 25 plus 8 minus 6 minus 6 minus 50 plus 11 40 minus 50. So the answer is 644. So I take only one rotational behavior. Now again repeat these three steps. Two step. R12. Take R12 again, and then take R23 again. Then finally you got C dot A cross B. We are starting from A dot B cross C, and you got C dot A cross B. So this is the example on the basis of rotational behavior of scalar triple product. So example is actually more useful than theory. So theory is very much easy. You just only put 3 to 4 steps and it become completed. So દાખલા છે આવા તમે આ તો ઘણા બધા એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ તમે જાતે પણ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરી શકો. It is very much easier. So many examples are there for ABC. I take 3 dimension and you take only 2 dimension and calculate also. Then you got something in the result. So I'm taking today I'm completed your 2 topics, which is one is geometrical representation and the another one is a rotational behavior of scalar triple product. Now next lecture in next week I taught you vector triple product, right? Today onwards now all the theories are on the basis of vector triple product or vector cross product. So instead of A dot B cross C, we have to calculate A cross B cross C. So as simple as dot product, but the theories are slightly different. So today I stop here. You revised the topics and calculate some example. I try to send you some another examples on the vector analysis. So thank you very much.